Okay, friends, welcome to IACA. So, friends, today we are going to discuss RRB Officer Scale 1 Prelims Grant Test number 53 Reasoning Explanation. So, friends, take your first question. Sige, question number 1 to 5. 8 persons are sitting around a circular table. Next, equidistance from each other such that 4 of them are facing inward and 4 of them are facing outward. The persons facing inward are sitting consecutively. That means those one who are facing inside all are neighbors. All are neighbors. At the same time, those one who are facing outside are also sitting consecutively. So those one who are facing outside also all are neighbors. Yes. So friends, totally here we are having 8 members. Totally we are having 8 members. Out of 8 members, 4 of them facing inside, remaining 4 is facing outside. Those one who are facing inside, all are immediate neighbors. Those one who are facing outside, all are immediate neighbors. Leave it. Now, friends, okay. So totally here we are having 8 members. Totally here we are having 8 members. Sige. Total we are having 8 members are sitting around a circular table. Next, 4 of them facing inside, 4 of them facing outside. Leave it. R is sitting immediate left of W. So friends, R is sitting immediate left of W means we don't know whether W is facing inside or outside. One possibility W is facing inside, other possibility W is facing outside. W is facing outside. Yes. Now take care. This one is for W. Now R is sitting immediate left of W. In this case also R is sitting immediate left of W. Leave. Next DA is immediate neighbor of W. Now friends okay. DA is immediate neighbor of W. Here also DA is immediate neighbor of W. Leave it. Next point. Friends okay. O is sitting second right of D. O is sitting second right of D. We don't know whether D is facing in or out. If D is outside, first right, second right, O, no chance. Then D is inside. Now first right, second right is part O. O is sitting second right of D. Next, suppose in this case also O is sitting second right of D, but we don't know whether D is facing in or out. If D is inside, first right, second right, no chance. Then D is outside, first right, second right is part O. O is sitting second right of D. Leave it. Next one. V is sitting immediate left of Y. V is sitting immediate left of Y, and they are facing towards the same direction. Yes, friends, okay. V is immediate left of Y. That means V and Y both are immediates. Now, next they are facing towards the same direction. Leave it. Now, H is sitting third right of V. H is sitting third right of V. Friends, H is sitting third right of V means now for third right only possibility is what? These two are the possibilities. Sige. Sige, third right this one and this one is the only possibility to get third. So friends, okay, but our requirement is what? H is sitting, sige, the next one is what? V is sitting immediate left of Y and they are facing same direction. H is sitting far right of V. H is sitting far right of V means if I take a V, if V is inside, no chance. V is outside, first right, second right, far right, possibility. But V and Y are neighbors. That means here V I will take means Y no chance. Then take this one is part here H. This one is part here H. Now H is sitting far right of H is sitting far right of V. Now take this one is part here V. V facing inside. Now H is sitting far right of V. Now in this case far right means possibilities are these two. Possibilities are these two. If I take here V and Y both are neighbors, no chance. Then this one is part here H. Now this one is part here V. Now H is sitting far right of V. H is sitting far right of V. Now V is sitting immediate left of Y and they are facing the same direction. So friends here V is sitting immediate left of Y. V and Y both are facing same. Here V facing outside, then Y also facing outside. Now V is immediate left of Y. Now in this case, V is immediate left of Y and V is sitting immediate left of Y. Both are facing same. V is inside means now Y also inside. Y inside means V is immediate left of Y. If I take here Y means inside means V is immediate right. Our requirement is for immediate left. Yes, leave it. Next point. Friends, E is not sitting immediate left of R. E is not sitting immediate left of R. So friends here E is not sitting immediate left of R. This is the only possibility for E and E is not sitting immediate left of R. So if R is facing inside, R is facing inside, then E is not immediate right. Suppose, see, the given is what? E is not sitting immediate left of R and if R is inside, then E is immediate right. If R is outside, then E is immediate left. But our requirement is what? E is not immediate left of R. Then here R is facing inside. If R is inside, now E is not immediate left. Now only possibility for sige, only possibility for E is what? This is the only possibility for V. Now our requirement is what? Sige, E is not sitting immediate left of R. E is not sitting immediate left of R means now if R is inside, E is immediate left. But our requirement is what? E is not immediate left. That means here R is facing outside. R is facing outside. Yes. Now friends again, this one is outside means now inside, 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 inside. Why means inside facing persons are all are neighbors. Now outside, 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 outside. Yes. In this case, friend, this one is what? Inside, this one also inside, inside, inside. Four members are inside, remaining four members are here, outside. Next, our requirement is what? E is facing inward, but in this case, E is facing outward. This possibility, no chance. In this case, E is facing inside. Now take your first question. See here. Question number one, who is sitting immediate right of H? Who is sitting immediate right of H? Here, O. So question number one, option B. Question number two, who is sitting exactly opposite to V? Exactly opposite to V is for D. So question number two, answer is option A. Question number three, how many persons are sitting between O and E? How many persons are sitting between O and A? O and A to the right of O, right of O. O facing outside. Now between O and A, how many persons are there here? Two members. Question number three, answer is option B. Question number four, who is sitting third right of the person who is sitting immediate left of V? Immediate left of E is what? E. For E, third right. 1, 2, 3. Answer is what? O. So question number 4. Answer is option E. Question number 5. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way. Find the odd pair out. Yes, friends, check it. Now, take care. Y and O. Friends, check it. Y and O. Odd pair means found out of given 5. 4 is same. 1 is different. Which one is the different? Y and O. Y and O both are facing opposite directions. Leave it. E and V. E and V both are facing same directions. D and H. D and H both are facing same directions. R and W are inside outside. That means this possibility no chance to get. Y means first one is inside outside. Both are same. Here both are same. Again inside outside. No chance to take this one. Now suboption check here. Y and O positions take here. Y is immediate right of Y is immediate right of O. Y is immediate right of O. See here. Y is immediate right of O. Second one. E is immediate right of V. Friends check here. E is immediate right of V. See here. E is immediate left of V. E is immediate left of V. See here. First one is what? Y is immediate right of O. Next one is what? E is immediate left of V. This one is what? Immediate left. Next one. D and H. D is immediate left of H. D is immediate left of H. This one also immediate left. R and W. R is, see here. R is immediate left of W. This one also immediate left. W1 D, W1 D, W is immediate left of D. That means one also immediate left. Then which are the following is odd one out means answer is what? Option A. Why means first person is immediate left of second person. But in this case, first option immediate right. Take question number 6 to 8. The again question is from inequalities. Take your given statement. Friends, given statement is one. T less than or equal to C. Next for C connection take here. C greater than or equal to K. K equal to O. K equal to O. Next one is one. F less than or equal to S. S less than or equal to O. O greater than or equal to S. Greater than or equal to F. Greater than or equal to F. Next one. Next one is what? R equal to W not completed. Next one is what? F less than or equal to D. Friends, F is less than or equal to D less than W. Next remaining is what? R equal to W. R equal to W. Yes, this is the given statement. Take first conclusion. F and R. Between F and R, what the relation here? F to R. Less than or equal to, less than, equal to. Result is what? Less than. So F less than R. First one is true. Second one. W and yes. Friends, okay. Once W and S. Friends, here only one. See, W and yes. Friends, W and S relation is what? See, W greater than D greater than or equal to F less than or equal to S. Both are opposite. Can't say. Then answer is what? Only one follows. So question number 6 answer is option A. Question number 7, take your given statement. F is greater than or equal to Y greater than or equal to N greater than or equal to N. A less than L, L greater than N. That means here N less than L. Next one is what? Greater than A greater than A. Next one. Friends, here Q is greater than A. That means A is less than Q. A is less than Q. Yes. Now first statement completed, second completed, this one also completed. Now next one is what? F less than J. So that means here S equal to J. Next one is what? J greater than F. J greater than F. Last one equal to E equal to S. E equal to S. Take first statement, first conclusion here. E and Y. E and Y one check here relations. Equal to greater than or equal to. Result is what? Greater than. So E greater than Y. First one is true. Second one Y and S. One check here Y and S. What are the relation here? equal to, greater than or equal to, result is what? Greater than. So here S is greater than Y. S is greater than Y. Then if I interchange Y and S, that means variables means symbol will also change. Then answer is what? Y less than S, then both are true. So both are true means answer is what? Friends, check. Both 1 and 2 follows. Question number 7, option C. Question number 8, take here a given statement. Friends, check. I equal to J, J less than N, J less than N. Next one is what? R greater than or equal to N. That means here N less than or equal to R. Next one is what? Friends, check. Next, any common, friends, this one is completed, this one also completed. Now I equal to V. Now friends, check. Here the next one is what? I equal to V equal to M. I equal to V equal to M. Next one is what? Friends, check. See, the next one is what? K equal to S less than M. K equal to S less than M. Friends, here K equal to S less than M. Next one is what? U equal to K. U equal to K. Yes, now friends, check. Here the next one is what? U equal to K and U equal to K. Now friends, check. If one mistake like this, U equal to K equal to S less than M equal to V equal to I. Next, equal to J less than N less than or equal to R. Take first conclusion. I and R. Friends, I and R equal to less than less than less than. So I less than R. First one is true. Second one, N and S. N and S less is what? Friends, check. Less than equal to equal to equal less than. Result is what? Less than. So S less than N, then N greater than S. Then answer is what? Both are true. Both are true means answer is what? Option C. Question number 8, option C. Question number 9, using first, third, sixth and eighth letters of the word here, fireworks. That means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now first letter is what? F. First letter is what? F. Third letter is what? R. Third is what? R. Sixth one is what? O. Eighth one is what? Here, K. Now friends, check. By using these letters, if you are able to frame meaningful word can be formed. What the second letter of the word is the answer. If you are able to frame meaningful word, second letter of the word is the answer. If more than one word can be made, X is the answer. Next, if no word can be more, then L is the answer. By using this one, which one we are able to frame here? 4 of F or R K. Yes, we are able to frame one meaningful word. Then second letter of the word is the answer. Then answer is what? O. Question number 9, option B. Question number 10 to 14. See, Rohit plans a timetable for a day to revise his 8 different subjects at different timings among 8 a.m. First one is what? 8 a.m. Next one is what? 10 a.m. Next one is what? 11 a.m. Next one is what? 11 a.m. Next 3 p.m. Next one is what? 4 p.m. Next one is what? 7 p.m. Next one is what? 11 p.m. Next one is what? 12 mid. Next one is what? 12 midnight. Yes. So friends, these are the given timings. These are the given timings. Yes, leave it. One of the subject is English. One of the subject is English. Yes, leave it. Next one. He planned to study chemistry 1 hour after Hindi end. Now, friends, okay. Friends, the next one is what? He planned to study chemistry 1 hour after Hindi. He plans to study chemistry 1 hour after Hindi. So friends, chemistry is 1 hour after Hindi. Chemistry is 1 hour after Hindi. Possibility is what? So 8 and 10, between 2 hours between here we are having. Chemistry is 1 hour after Hindi means 10 and 11 chance. Next, 3 and 4 also chance. Chemistry is 1 hour after Hindi. 3 p.m., 4 p.m. Next one, 11 p.m., 12. Here also chance. Yes, that means we are having 3 possibilities. Leave it. Go for next point. He studies Sanskrit at 7 p.m. Yes, one check. He studied Sanskrit at 7 p.m. Yes, leave it. His revision time for mathematics is immediately before Hindi. Yes. So friends, the next one is what? His revision time for mathematics is immediately before Hindi. Now, immediately before Hindi here we are having mathematics, but chemistry is 1 hour after Hindi. Chemistry is 1 hour after Hindi. Now, check this possibility. Otherwise, take next point and take next point. He studied physics. He studied physics before 12 noon. 12 noon means what? 12 afternoon. So 12 p.m. before. 12 p.m. before. That means 11 a.m. or 10 a.m. or 8 a.m. Yes, leave it. At 8 a.m. he studied neither physics nor maths. At 8 a.m. physics no chance. Next, maths also no chance. Maths also no chance. Next, he studied history immediately after biology. History is immediately after biology. History is immediately after biology. Yes, this is the given information. Now take this point. Hindi immediately before mathematics. Chemistry is 1 hour after Hindi. Now, mathematics at 8 a.m. is no chance. If I take mathematics is 10 a.m. Now, 11 a.m. is what? Hindi. Now, 3 p.m. chemistry. No. Why means chemistry is 1 hour after Hindi. 11 a.m. here 3 p.m. Between here we are having more hours. No chance. Suppose. Here maths means no chance. Suppose. If I take here maths, this one is Hindi, this one is what? Chemistry. Chemistry is 1 hour after Hindi. Yes, 3 p.m., 4 p.m. Then take this the possibility. This one is what? Maths. This one is what? Maths. Now this one is what? Here Hindi. Now this one is what? Here chemistry. This one is what? Here chemistry. Chemistry is 1 hour after Hindi. 1 hour after Hindi. Mathematics is before Hindi. Immediately before Hindi. Yes. Now they mention one is what? He studied physics before 12 p.m. Physics is before 12 p.m. Then before 12 p.m. is possibilities are 11 a.m. no chance, 10 a.m. next 8 a.m. But 8 a.m. physics no chance. That means possibilities for 10 a.m. Possibilities for 10 a.m. Yes. Biology is immediately before history. Only possibilities for 11 p.m. and 12 midnight. Now this one is for biology is immediately before history. Biology is immediately before history. History immediately after biology. Otherwise, biology is immediately before history. Now, one of the subject is what? English. One of the subject is what? English. Now, different is what? English. Now, take here question number 10. He revises English at what? At what time? Revises at English at what time? 8 a.m. So, question number 10, option D. Question number 11. Revision time of Sanskrit is dash hours after Hindi. Sanskrit is dash hour after Hindi. Hindi is what? 3 p.m. Sanskrit is for 7 p.m. That means after 4 hours. 3 plus 4 is what? 7 p.m. That means, so Sanskrit is revised after 4 hours of Hindi. That means answer is what? 4 hours. Question number 11, option C. Question number 12, Rohit studies which subject at 11 p.m. 11 p.m. Which subject he studied? Biology. So question number 12, answer is what? Biology. So answer is what? Option B. Question number 13, Rohit revises da subject between maths and Sanskrit. Between maths and Sanskrit. Friends again, between maths and Sanskrit, how many subject he revised? Here 2. So question number 13, answer is what? Option C. Question number 14, he revises physics immediately after. Physics is immediately after English. So question number 14, option C. Question number 15 to 16, six students PQRST and U score different marks in a test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 members different marks in the test. U scored more than P. That means now U is more than P. Next, S scored more than T. S is more than T. Only one person scored less than R. Only one person scored less than R and friends again. So less than R, only one person was scored. This one is what? Highest scorer. This one is what? Least scorer. Only one person was scores less than R. Next, U does not score the highest. That means for U here, no chance. P does not score less than S. That means here P scores more than S. P scores here more than S. So here P scores more than S. S scores more than T. P scores more than S. U scores more than P. Now U is more than P. But if is not the highest, that means this one is what? Take here U, this one is what? Here U, this one is what? Yeah, P, U, P, this one is what? Yes, this one is what? T. Now remaining is what? See here P, Q, that means remaining is what? Here Q, remaining is what? Here Q. Take your question number 15. Who scored the third highest? First highest Q, second highest, third highest is what? P. Question number 15, option A. Question number 16, see here. If P and U score 34 marks, 23 marks, that means P and U scores more than P. That means U is what? Here 34. Now P is what? Here 23. P and U score 34 and 23 marks. Next leave. What the probable score of Q? Probable score of Q is what? More than 34. More than 34. More than 34. Which option is there? 40. Why means here? Q is more than U. Q is more than P. So U and P is what? 24, 20, 34, 23. That means Q is more than U and P means what? Here Q is more than 34. More than 34 we are having only one option. Answer is what? Option D. Question number 17 to 20. Take your direct question. What could be the code for BART? What could be the code for BART? Friends, one check here. BART is present in which line? Here we are having BART. Here also we are having BART. That means first line, third line, common code is BART. Then common codon. Check here. Yes are there. HO. Here we are having HO. Here also we are having HO. Next, MV. Here also we are having MV. Check once whether HO, present in remaining lines. Not there. ST, here ST, not there. So what the code for BART means? Answer is what? HO or ME. HO or ME means answer is what? Can't say. So question number 17, option E. Question number 18, which of the following is the code for Darsha bike super? Yes, friends, check here. Now friends, take first one is part Darsha. So friends, here Darsha, here also we are having Darsha. First line, second line, common information is Darsha, then common code. Yes, here we are having yes, here yes. Next, H1 are there, MEMN are there, STN are there. That means what the code for Darsha means here? Yes. Next one is part bike. Here we are having bike, here also we are having bike. Now common code. UVN are there, MVN are there, H1 are there, IK. Here IK, here also IK. Next one, super. So friends, one check here, super is present in which line? See here. Super is present in first line are there, second line are there, third line are there, only fourth line, super. Only information is super, then only code. Friends, check here, only code means now ST eliminate. Next one is one, NC. NC eliminate, then only code is what? PU. That means answer is what? ASIKPU. ASIKPU. Answer is what? Option B. Question number 18, option B. Question number 19, which of the following can represent the code for STGSIK? STGSIK. Friends, one check here, first one ST, here ST, here also we are having ST. First line, last line, common code is ST, then common information. Darshan are there, Bhat are there, New are there, car. First line, last line, common information is for car. So what is the code for ST? Car. GS. Next one is for GS. Here we are having GS. Remaining line GS is not there. Only code is GS, then only information. Eliminate. Darsha is present. Next one is for here. Sudha also present. Next one. And friend check here. And is present or not? Yes. And also present. That means sibling. That means here sibling. Yes. So here GS means part sibling. GS means part sibling. Next one IK. Next one is part IK. Here we are having IK. Here also we are having IK. Then common code is part. These two lines common code is part. Friend check here. So friends, here we are having bike. Here also we are having bike. That means here code is part bike. That means what the code here? Car sibling bike. Car sibling bike. Answer is what? Option C. Question number 19. Option C. Question number 20. If new dress coded as MEDX, then what is the code for BART? What is the code for BART? Friends, BART is present in which lines? Friends, check here. Here we are having BART. Here also we are having BART. Now eliminate again. Only information is for BART in first line and third line. Now only code. Only code is what? HO is present. HO also present. MEV is present. MEV also present. But they give one more code. New dress is coded as MVDA. That means MV also eliminated. MV also eliminated. See here. First line, next, third line, and in this given code, here MV is common. MV is common. But first line, third line, only information is for BART. Now only code is for HO. That means what the code for BART means answer is for HO. Question number 20, option D. Question number 21, find the odd one. That means out of given 5, 4 is same, 1 is different. Which one is the different? Now JH, J and H logic is what? -2. J is face value 10, 10 minus 2, 8. H and F, 8 minus 2, 6. 6 minus 2 is what? 4. That means logic is what? -2. Check for next one. 14 minus 2, 12. 12 minus 2, 10. 10 minus 2, 8. But here they given G. That means 8 minus 2 means for this one is what? H and A. Next check here. 12 minus 2, 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 8 minus 2, 6. 21 minus 2, 21 minus 2, 19. 19 minus 2, 17. 17 minus 2, 15. 22 minus 2, 20. 20 minus 2, 18. 18 minus 2, 16. That means which of the following is odd one out means answer is what? Option B. Why means remaining all are -2, -2, -2. But here J minus 2 is what? H. But here they given G. Question number 21, option B. Question number 22 to 24. Here they given question is from data sufficiency. Data sufficiency means whether we are able to solve or not. No need to get answer and check once. Question number 22. In a class of 4 students, A, B, C, D get different marks in a test. Who among the student gets highest marks? Yes, leave it. Now take your first one. A gets better marks than C, but not the highest. So friends, again, A get better marks than C, but not the highest. By using one, we know about only A and C. We don't know about remaining. One alone we can't say. Second one. C gets better marks than only D. C gets better marks than only D. Here we know about only C and D. That means C alone also we can't say. Now combine both. Combine here both. So friends, totally here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4 members. Now C gets better marks than only D. C get better marks than only D. C get better marks than only D. Only D. Leave it. A gets better marks than C, but not the highest. Now, A is more than C. Now, remaining is what? Here, B. So, by combining these two, who scored highest means what? B. So, to answer this one, both are required. Both are required. If both are required means one check options. See game. Option number one alone no, two alone no. Next, one alone, two alone no. If the data in both the statements, one and two together are necessary to answer the question, option D. Question number 22, option D. Question number 23. How many chocolate does Akash have? One. Take first one. Akash has three chocolates less than Bipin, but we don't know how many chocolate does Bipin have. If you know about Bipin means, then we are able to conclude. One alone we can't say. Bipin has four chocolate less than Dani. Next, Bipin has four chocolate less than Dani, but here we don't know Dani. Next, who has? Who has means what? Here Dani has two chocolates more than Akash, but here we don't know about Akash. We don't know about Akash. So friends, again, one alone we can't say. One alone we can't say. Why means here we don't know about Bipin. Next two alone also we can't say. Why means here Bipin is depends upon Dani. Dani is depends upon here Akash. So by combining two also we can't say. Combine two also we can't say. Then answer is what? Simply if the data even in both the statements, 1 and 2 together are not sufficient to answer the question. Question number 24. What is the code for weather in the given language? Yes, take a. Take first one alone. Take a first one alone. So friends, first one alone is what? Weather climate summer is written as FALADA and summer winter rainy. So friends, here, what the code for here? Weather. What the code for here? Weather. So friends, whether weather is present in second line, not there. Whether we are able to eliminate these two codes, climate and summer, no. Here we are able to eliminate only summer. We are able to eliminate only summer. That means only one information we are able to eliminate. That means what the code for weather and climate means. See here summer means here FALADA. So DADA eliminated. Then FALA we can't say. So by using one alone we can't say. Go for two alone. Whether cold climate is written as LASAFA, cold climate break, SALAPA. Now, here our requirement is what? Weather. Our requirement is what? Weather. So, friends, here, cold here climate. Here as we are having cold and climate. That means two codes are same. Then check once. Friends, here, SALA, SALA, here as we are able to eliminate SALA. That means only information is weather, only code is what? FA. That means two alone we are able to conclude. Then answer is what? Only two alone. Two alone means answer is what? Option B. Question number 24. Option B. Question number 25. How many such pairs of letters are there in the word document? Friends, check it. DOCUMENT, which has many letters between them in the English alphabet. Yes. So friends, in the English alphabetical series, after D, what will come? D. Next, E. See D in front spot here. E. Next, F, G, H, I, J, K. No. After O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. No. C, D, E, F, G, H. No. U, V, W, X, Y. No. Next, M, N, O, P. No. E, no. N, no. So forward no pay. Take in words. T. Next, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. No. N. Next, O, P, Q, R, S. No. E, F, G, H, I, J. No. M, N, O, P. No. Next, U, V, W. No. C, D, E. No. O. No. That means there is no pair. Forward no pair. Reverse also no pair. Then answer is what? None. Question number 25. Option A. Question number 26 to 28. Friends, check it. Here the again question is from blood relation. Take here again one. There are 9 members in a family of 3 generations. Next, leave it. If is not father of A, if is not father of A. O is the brother-in-law of X. Leave it. U is the son-in-law of R. Who is the mother of I? R is the mother of I. Next, V is the brother-in-law of F. O is the maternal grandfather of A. Who is the nephew of F? Next, I is the mother of A. Friends, take care. The human is what? I is the mother of A. I is the mother of A. B is the sister of A. Next one. B is the sister of A. B is the sister of A. Next, the given is what? R, comma, who is? Who is means what? R is. R is the mother of I. R is the mother of I. Friends, check here. The given is what? R is the mother of I. Next one is what? Friends, check here. O is the brother-in-law of X. We don't know. U is the son-in-law of R. Now, friends, check here. U is the son-in-law of R. That means here R having one daughter. This daughter husband is what? Here U. UV is the son-in-law of R. UV is the son-in-law of R. Next one. V is the brother-in-law of F. V is the brother-in-law of F. Next. O is the maternal grandfather of A. O is the maternal. Maternal means what? Mother. Mother side. Mother, father. So O is the maternal grandfather of A. That means funny part here. O. O is maternal grandfather of A. Yes. Next one. O is the brother-in-law of X. Now, O is the brother-in-law of X. So friends here, brother-in-law means what? Spouse brother, otherwise sister's husband. Now, O is the brother-in-law of X. O is the brother-in-law of X. Next one is what? Friends check here. Who is nephew of F? Who is means what? A is nephew of F. A is nephew of F and A is nephew of F. So A is nephew of F means now I and F both are siblings. I and F both are siblings. Now suppose if I will take here these two are couples. If I will take these two are couples. Now check here. Now UV is brother-in-law of I. UV is brother-in-law of I. Yes. Next one. V is the brother-in-law of F. Now I will take here I and V both are couples. I and V both are couples. I minus means what? V plus. Now V is the brother-in-law of F. Now UV is the brother-in-law of I. Next UV is the son-in-law of R. O is the maternal grandfather of A. Maternal grandfather of A. O is the brother-in-law of X. Leave it. Now take your question. Who is the father of B? Father of B is what? V. So question number 26, option D. Question number 27. How EV is related to R? How EV is related to R and A? So friends here, R daughter is what? F. F son is what? U. Then answer is what? Son-in-law. Question number 27. Option B. Question number 28. How I is related to X? How I is related to X? X sister is what? R. R daughter is what? I. So sister's daughter is what? Niece. Question number 28. Answer is option C. Question number 29 to 31. Sige, 7 points A to G. 7 points A to G are situated as follows. E is 2 meter west of B. Now friends check here. E is 2 meter. E is 2 meter west of B. Next one. F is 2 meter north of B. Friends check here. F is 2 meters north of B. Next one. C is 1 meter west of F. We don't have S here. C is 1 meter west of F. C is 1 meter west of F. Next. D is 2 meter south of C. Now, friends check here. D is 2 meter south of C. D is 2 meter south of C. Next. G is 2 meter south of E. We don't know about E. We don't know about E. This one is D and next. D is exactly in the middle of B and E. D is exactly in the middle of B and E. Yes. This one is 1. Now this one also compulsory 1. Next. A is 2 meter north of E. A is 2 meters north of E. Now one check here. A is 2 meter north of E. A is 2 meters north of E. Before point is what? G is 2 meter south of E. Now take here. G is 2 meter south of E. This is the given one. Take question number 29. Point F is which direction with respect to G? F is which direction with respect to G? Here, east, west, north, south. Answer is what? Northeast. So question number 29, option B. Question number 30. What is the distance between point A and G? Distance between point A and G. A and G. This one is 2 meter. This one is 2 meter. Answer is what? 4 meter. Question number 30, option D. Question number 31. Point G is which direction with respect to D? G is which direction with respect to D and with respect to D? G is which direction with respect to D? Here east, west, north, south. Answer is what? Here southwest. Answer is what? Southwest. So question number 31, option C. 32 to 36. Friends, okay. Here the given is what? 9 people A to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and I are sitting in a row. Some of them are facing north, some of them are facing south. Not more than 2 persons are sitting together, face the same direction. That means maximum we are having 2 members are facing same directions, are sitting together. Next one. G seated one of the extrements. Both the persons sitting at the extremities are facing south. Now, friends, total here we are having. Friends, take here. Total here we are having 9 members and total here we are having 9 members. Take here. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 members. Yes. Now the next one is what? G is sitting at one of the extremement. Here G chance, otherwise that side also chance. That means there is chance to get one more possibility. There is chance to get one more possibility. Now so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. G is sitting at one of the extreme end. See here, G is sitting at one of the extreme end. Next one. See here, both the persons sitting at the extreme ends facing south. Those one who are sitting at extreme ends are facing south. Are facing south. Leave it. Next one. Only three persons in between G and H. G 1 2 3 is funny spot. H now G 1 2 3 is funny spot here. H this one is H. Next leave it. Next who is means spot H is star right of A. H is star right of A means for A here chance, for A here also chance. Here for A two possibilities. Leave it. Next point. B faces the same direction of G. That means B is facing south. Why means G is facing south, then B also facing south. Next, I said star right of F and both of them facing opposite directions. Leave it. E is not immediate neighbor of I. Next, only two persons are sit between C and D. If the C or D sit at extreme end and both face the opposite direction to each other. Now, B said star right of H. B is star right of H. B is star right of H, but he is not immediate neighbor of G. Yes, B is star right of H, but he is not immediate neighbor of G. Now we don't know whether H is facing north or south. If H is facing north, first right, second right, third right is what? B. But B is not neighbor of G. No chance. Then H facing south, first right, second right, third right is what? B. B is star right of H. B is facing same direction as G. They already given. B faces the same direction as G. That means here B also facing south. Now next one is friends here. Our requirement is what? Some of them is not more than 2%. Then leave it. Some of them are facing north, some is facing south. Leave it. Now friends check here. B is star right of H. B is star right of H. We don't know H is facing north or south. If H is south, first right, second right, third right, no chance. Why means B is not neighbor of G. H is facing north, first right, second right, third right is what? B. Now B is facing same direction as G. G facing south, B also facing south. Here third person here B means first taken one is what? See here. H is star right of A. H is star right of A. Now for H, 1, 2, 3, A no chance. H, 1, 2, 3 is funny spot. A. Now H is star right of A. H is star right of A. In this case, H is star right of A. For H, third person, no chance. Now this is the possibility for A. Now H is star right of A. H is star right of A. Now friends here, maximum two persons are sitting together facing the same direction. These two are south me. This one is compulsory north. This one is compulsory north. Next, leave it. Next friends here, take another clue point. Friends here, two persons are sit between. Only two persons are sit between C and D. Either C or D sit at extreme end of the line, but both facing the opposite to each other. Now either C or D is at extreme end. This side no chance. Now this one is what? C or D. Now this one is what? Here D or C. Now C and D extreme end. This one is what? C or D. This one is what? Here D or C. So C and D are sitting at extreme ends. Either C or D sit at extreme end, but both facing opposite direction to each other. So friends, one is north means other one is south, like that. Yes, leave it. Next point. For next point is what? I said star right of F. I is star right of F and I is star right of F. So friends here, I is star right of F means then possibility is what? These two are the possibilities for I and F. I is star right of F. I is star right of F. And both of them facing the opposite direction. Both of them is facing opposite direction. Yes, leave it. Just remember this point. I is star right of F. I is star right of F. Next, we don't know F is facing north or south. North or south. Yes. Next one, see, previously taken clue point is what? See, both persons sitting at the extreme ends are facing south. Now, this one is south. This one is compulsory south. This one is south. This one is compulsory south. Now, C and D are facing opposite to each other. This one is south may. This one is compulsory north. Now, this one is south may. This one is compulsory north. This one is compulsory north. So friends, here these two are north. That means this one is compulsory south. Otherwise, these two are south. This one is compulsory north. If I take a based upon this one, then here condition will not satisfy. Condition will not satisfy. Why means three persons are facing same direction, are sitting together. But our requirement is what? Not more than two. Maximum two members. Yes. Next one. Friends, okay, next one. These two are facing south. Then this one is compulsory north. This one is compulsory north. Next one is what? Here we don't know about this one now. Friends, our requirement is what? I is sitting far right of F. I is sitting far right of F. Suppose if I take F here, this one is what? I. But I and E are not neighbors. I and E are not neighbors. See here, E is not immediate neighbor of I. That means here F no chance. That means this one is what? Here I. Now IA is star right of F. IA is star right of F. Friends, okay, F facing inside. First right, second right, star right. The given point is what? I is sitting star right of F. I is sitting star right of F. Next, both of them facing the opposite direction. Now, F is facing south, I is facing north. Now, remaining is what? E. Remaining is what? E. Yes. This is the given one. We don't know about C and D exact position. Take your question. Question number 32. Question number 32. How many persons sit between I and A? Between I and A, how many persons are sit? 1, 2, 3, 4 members. Yes. Answer is what? More than 3. Question number 33. If G is related to E, G is related to E, one gap. G is related to E, one gap. Next. H is related to I. H is related to I, one gap. In the same way, A is related to. In the same way, A is related to. One gap is what? F. So question number 33. Answer is what? Option C. Question number 34. Who sits immediate right of B? Who sits immediate right of B here? C or D? Answer is what? Cannot be determined. Question number 34. Option E. Question number 35. Which one of the following does not belongs to the group? Now, check here. H. H is facing, friends, here, south. Now, F. F is facing south. B. B is facing south. E. E is facing north. G facing south. Then answer is what? Option D. Why means remaining all are facing south, but option D is facing north. Question number 36. What is the position of I with respect to H? Position of I with respect to H. First right, second right. Answer is what? Second to the right. So answer is what? Option D. Question number 36. Option D. Question 37 to 41. Here again questions are from syllogism. Take your first statement. Their requirement is what? Logically follow. That means true conclusions. Take first one. Some rat is a cat. Friends, okay, rat. Some part of rat is a cat. Next. No cat is a angry. No cat is a here angry. Next. Some persons are angry. Some person is a angry. Yes. Take first conclusion. Some rat are not angry. Some rat is not angry. Friends, we know no cat is a angry. No cat is angry means in cat here rat is some part. Then some part of rat is not angry. First one is true. Second one, some persons are not rat. Yes, some persons are not rat. We can't say. See, no angry is a cat means in angry person is some part. Some part of person is not cat. We can't say some part of person is not rat. Second one is no chance. That means answer is what? Only one follows. Question number 30. Question number 37. Answer is what? Here. Option A. Question number 37. Answer is what? Option A. Question number 38. All blood is red. Yes, friends, check it. Blood. This all blood is a red. All red is a water. Some red is a white. This one is what? Water and next some red is a white. Now red. Some part of red is a white. Some part of red is a white. Take first conclusion. All white is water. No. Next one. Some white is not water. Some white is not water. No. Then both should be wrong. Next, subjective predicate are same. One is positive, other one is negative. Answer is what? Either are. So question number 38, option C. Question number 39, friends, check once. Only few phone are laptop. That means some phone is laptop. Next, at the same time, some part of phone is not laptop. All laptops are bottle. Friends, check it. Laptop. This all laptop is a bottle. Next, all phone are steel. Now, friends, check it. Phone. This all phone is a steel. All phone is a steel. Take first conclusion. All steel are laptop is a possibility. All steel are laptop is a possibility. Friends, we know already some part of phone is not laptop. Some part of phone is not laptop means the some part of phone is present in steel. That means some part of steel is not laptop. Then all steel are laptop is a possibility. Wrong. Next one. Some bottle are not steel. Some bottle are not steel. We can't send. We know some bottle is a steel. Some bottle are not steel means what? We can't say. Then second one also wrong. Then answer is what? Both are wrong. Question number 39. Option D. Question number 40. No day is a month. Friends, check a day. Now no day is a month. Only few month is a year. Some month is a year. At the same time, some part of month is not year. All years are weeks. All year is a week. Take first conclusion. All week can never be. Can never be means what? Some not. That means some week are not day. Some week are not day. Yes. No month is a day. No month is a day means in month year week is some part. Some part of week is not day. Yes, first one is true. Friends can never be miss part. Some not. Next one. Sige, some era day. Some era day. Year and day. Here we know no month is a day means some part of year is not day. But some era day means second one is wrong. Then answer is what? Only one follows. Question number 40. Option A.